on free-flowing highways, where drivers expect to cruise at high speeds. Road construction increases risk of rear-end collisions due to vehicle queuing on high-speed roadways. Queue-end warning systems can help provide advance warnings to road users and help avoid rear-end collisions. At QEW Highway, Niagara, Ontario, Stinson ITS has designed and developed a reliable, semi-permanent, low-maintenance queue warning system. With the use of Houston Radar Speedlane Pro radar detects queuing vehicles, and queue warning alerts appear on PVMS boards. This system was designed and deployed in partnership with Rankin Construction. This is the first system of this kind to be deployed in Ontario, and we are proud to make this construction zone safer for all road users.